and welcome to Cooking with Sophia. Today we're going to make chocolate cake in a mug. It's a fun-tastic way to make a quick dessert. These are the ingredients for today's recipe. Make sure to download the full recipe so you can cook along with me. So first we're going to add flour. Now we're going to add some sugar. Okay, so now we're going to add the cocoa powder. This is what makes the cake in a mug chocolate. It's called chocolate cake in a mug. Now we're going to put the baking powder. It's a 1/4 teaspoon.
1/4.
1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
Perfect.
Now we're going to get the pinch of salt. So now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. Now we're going to add a splash of vanilla. This is a tiny splash. Splash. Now we're going to mix it. Since everything's mixed, now we're going to add chocolate chips. You could either use these regular chocolate chips, or you could use these unicorn chips. They're super cool. Three. And now 1 for me. Now we're going to mix it. It's yummy. Now we're going to clean the mug with a damp paper towel so the edges don't get burned. We're going to put the mug in the microwave for 90 seconds. You pulled it out of the microwave, and now we're going to wait 90 seconds. While we're waiting 90 seconds, we're going to make homemade whipped cream. For this recipe to make the whipped cream, we're going to need heavy cream and some sugar. So we put the heavy cream in a bowl. Now we're going to put the sugar in. Ask a grown-up to help you mix it. Homemade whipped cream is the best.
I think it's ready, so you want to try it?
Uh-huh.
No, put your finger. Whoa, that's a lot.
Now we're going to taste test. This is my brother Jack. That's so good. I love it because it's chocolate, and chocolate is my favorite. Bye, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.